So this is going to be our movement for the day on our USD Swiss franc. This is going to be what let's do in-depth analysis on what USD Swiss franc is going to be giving us for the day. But before we go ahead to predict what market will be doing for the day, make sure you subscribe. To those that are yet to subscribe, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that you would not miss out on any single update we're sharing with you guys. You'll find a link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now let's start with the trend on our USD Swiss franc. As you can see right here, our overall trend on USD Swiss franc is on a downtrend. This is the overall movement. I mean, if you can go in for the sell and hold your sell position for a very long time, you are definitely going to be grabbing a lot of pips, right? Above all, our trend on USD Swiss franc is on a downtrend move. Now, take a look at this movement right here, guys. At first, markets rallied up, did give a series of higher high and higher low. Then, guess what market did next? Markets eventually did form a double top, indicating a reversal movement. The market dropped to break the neckline, right? This is the low which market did give us. Now here comes the pullback, which is your lower high. So with this lower high, we should be expecting market to drop one more time to form a new low, thereby taking out this low. So guys, a new low is what we should be expecting on our USD Swiss franc. So we are anticipating for a new low that we eventually drop to take out this previous low, thereby forming a new low on USD Swiss franc. So could there be changes to this prediction that we just did? Absolutely yes, there could be changes. Now the thing is that if there will be any changes to this prediction I just did, I'll make sure I do the updates and let you guys know. So if you do not want to miss out on the updates, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. Also follow the Telegram. You will find a link to the Telegram in the comment section.